Well, birds are chirping this morning. Ooh, it's hot out here. I'm trying to get my shop all straightened up for the summer. What a mess. Hard to say where to start sometimes. I've just been doing some bench cleaning for now, so get my tools all put away for the summer. You know what? Probably a lot faster if I just suck that stuff off there. Let's see how good this will work. Come on, Stanley. See if it's gonna work. Let's see. First we need to do is plug it in. There. That's put suction power in there. I'm getting a lot of it. Kind of noises. There. Need that. Save it for later. Let's see in this bag. You know, I store a lot of my summer stuff in here, like the lawnmower and all that stuff. There's nobody out here all winter, but somehow it turns into a mess. I think them chickbucks move in the winter time. I've been trying to talk them all into going to Florida instead of hanging around here, but they won't leave. So, let me see how many wrenches I'm missing. Well, Jiminy Cricket, I got the whole set here. That don't happen very often. Alright, so that's all set for whatever repairs I need to do. Set that there. What we got here? Socket set. Hopefully. Well, how about that? All the holes are filled. Hope they're the right sizes, but they're filled. What's in this one? Another socket. There's a few holes there. Or is that because? Oh, all right. Maybe there's not. Just some things fell over. I guess. Yeah, that'll do. Two. Guess those are, there's one missing out of there. What size is it? 1/4 inch, of course. That's the one you use the most in there. No wonder if I stuck it in here. Sometimes I do crazy things. Wait a minute. I don't have a size on it. What is that? Yeah. Maybe it'll show up for the summer's over. I think I'll stick that back in this bag, because that's what I use to store the drill in. Huh. Found a fat old screw there. Alright. Zip it up to keep the frogs out. Yeah. I'll just set it over here in the corner. Get some oil on top of my refrigerator. I don't know. Must have spilt something here. I use that gas stabilizer in my mower in the winter. I probably set that there and it leaked. There, at least it looks shiny. I don't know if you can see that or not, but thank you much for filming myself, I'll tell you that. Yeah. It's all brand new. I wrote on there, Aaron came to visit March 30th. That was 4 years ago, last time I seen my son. I don't know. I know he's still alive. He lives about 30 miles from me. He may show up someday. Well, if he don't, I guess he don't. Guess too busy. But I'll leave it on there just to remind myself. I don't want to erase it off. And he'll say, oh no, I've been up. And then I'm going to say, look, I wrote it down. Whew. Got my rag all dirty now. See, I've been cleaning up this spot here. Hung up some of the tools. I got another bag full on the floor down there to take care of. Oh, that's my breakfast coffee. Labatt's Blue. And this room I haven't even touched yet. Ugh. I still kept all them VCRs from years ago. There's Beta and VHS. They all work. I keep thinking they're going to switch back to it someday. And then I won't have to buy a recorder. I already have one, right? Oh well. My electric snowblower. There's an electric lawnmower. An electric rototiller. Some gas cans. Some fish bowls. Excess lumber. Lumber up there. I don't know what's over there. It looks like some strapping and stuff. Oh well, I'll straighten it up so at least I can walk through here. Some grease guns there. Looks like there's two of them there. Oh, I hope that paint's still good. I probably left that out here. I wanted it for my next birdhouse. There's a clamp down there on the floor, down behind the saw. I'll get that. There's my skill saw underneath there. That's where my lost hammer was. Somebody came in and hid that hammer on me, I know that. So I knew right where I put it, and right there. Okay, I've got one more bag here to go through. Just like Christmas. What's in this bag? So we went through that. Those are mostly there. All there on that one. Oh, what's in this box? Will I open it upside down? Yeah, that's what I usually do. Oh yeah. Those are kind of handy. I don't know if you see that. They're little cutter. It works. 16.8 volts. Lithium. Cut metal with that. Plus you got one for sanding. What's this? Spare battery. Yeah. That ought to be working alright. Now how to get that out of there? Just like that. I think so. Get that locked. So you can go about over here. Don't use you as much. Oh, yeah. Milwaukee charger. You'll definitely need that. Here's another charger. That one's for it's for my other screw gun. I think I'll set this one over here on top of the refrigerator. So I made the top of that kind of slippery. The refrigerator. Oh, here's another one. I do know that goes to my small drill, I think. The Hyper Tough. That's been a really darn good drill. I've had that for years. Nothing ever goes wrong with it. Yeah. Lightweight. They're handy dandy if you don't want to lift one of these Milwaukees. They're heavy. Yeah. You get heavy batteries and things. So we'll put that over on the refrigerator. As well as the Milwaukee one. So they're all in one place. There. Okay. What's in this box? Oh, Hyper Tough rotary tool. Those are handy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Another little heavy duty one. Hyper Tough. I'll probably use that for some of my birdhouses. Small work. Little trim and stuff, so I'll put that there. I get a lot of accessories with that thing too. There's, damn if I know where they all are, but I know I got them. I think they're over here in this window. Oh yeah, they are. A whole bunch of attachments over here. So we're going to hang that baby right over here. There's a nail there saying, hang me, hang me. Okay. What else I got in the bag? Oh yeah, socket wrench. Nice ratchet. A lithium M18 battery. Is that for my, yeah, it's Milwaukee. Spare battery. Whole bunch of whatever. Screwdrivers. You need them for the summer. And 2 of these. Must fell out of something. We'll find out later. It's supposed to be muggy today. I don't know about yours, but it's going to be in the 80s. That's warm for Vermont. Gets about 70, we think we're have a heat spell. Close that up. Let's see, that's a... let me get my looking glasses here so I can see what the hell that is. Something. $15, 30 seconds. Wonder where that came from. This one's 10 milliliter. No something. Alright, so we'll put you guys in here. I just stopped in here for a second to say hello. I don't spend much time on here. Got too much to do. Yep. There. So I got most of my tools up on the wall. I still got one more bag in the house to bring out. I don't know what to see, all those hanging up there. Different drills and assortments. Of course I got the saw here. It's kind of a mess. I like those clip saws. Up here is my glues and different types of clamps I use. That's my knife sharpener over there in the corner. And my saw here. Yeah. So I'm going to let you folks all go. And I hope you all have a nice day. I know I will. Anytime it's warm, I enjoy it. So we'll catch you all later. You have a great day.